Hi, I'm Alex Wilson. I'm a wheelchair basketball player for Conway Thunder Wheelchair Basketball Club as well as the North Wales Knights. And today I'm going to be showing you, as part of the InSport Series event for Disability Sport Wales, a ball handling drill that you can do with a basketball, any sort of ball, as long as it's not rugby. So we're just going to start with a normal dribbling drill. So you're just going to start with your strongest hand. It might be your right hand or your left hand. I am a left-handed player, so I'm just going to go normal dribbling height. So it's about, try and keep the height about your wheel or wherever your hips are when you're sitting. And as soon as you're comfortable with just doing dribbling with your strongest hand, you're just going to go a little bit lower, just above, try and get it above your, below your knees, and we'll just go as low as possible. When you're dribbling, try not to use the palm of your hand, or otherwise you can lose the ball a lot more often. Try and use your fingertips. You've got a lot more control of the ball. Once you're comfortable with dribbling it down low, try and dribble a bit higher. Now you're trying to get shoulder height as much as possible. Get a bit more power into it as well. So harder bounces, get shoulder height. Once you're starting to get comfortable with that, try and go onto your weak hands. This might be your left hand or right hand. So you can either go straight onto your weak hand, or if you want to challenge yourself and try and go alternate hands, try and go around your body, go left to right or right to left. We'll just do the same principle on this side. So about normal height, just about hip height wherever you're sitting, and we'll go a bit lower, so a bit below the knees. Try and keep it in one place as well. And then again, same principle applies. You're using your fingertips, not your palms. And then we're just going to go if you can, we're going to try and go power bounces. Try and get that above shoulder height. Now, trying to go, once you start to get comfortable with your right hand, going to make it a bit more challenging, and we're going to go alternate hands. Now, to do alternate hands, you kind of need to go in front of you, but if you want to go behind your back as well, whatever's comfortable with you. So we're just going to go from your strongest hand, we're just going to go to your weakest hand. Just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Then we're going to go. Now, if you want to make that more challenging, you can start to develop going behind your back. So all we're just going to do is just go whatever. If you want to do kind of one bounce in the middle, if you want to try and do that, then brilliant. But if you can't quite do that just yet, we're just going to go a couple of bounces, light bounces. Try and find it on the other side. We're just going to go behind the back as well. Again. Now, starting to develop kind of all those ball handling skills, we're just going to go basically what we call around the world. So we're just going to go, start your strongest hand, we'll go around the front of your chair, wherever you're sitting, go to your weakest hand, and we'll go behind your back. And then if you want to go the other way, and just do the same principle every time. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Hope you're well and stay safe.